What's up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method you can go and use and start making some sales with Clickbank, so using free traffic. So you don't need any investment for this particular method to get started, guys. So all you're going to do is you're going to watch this video step by step till the end, and if you take action on this method I'm going to be showing you guys, you can start getting some free traffic and you can start making some sales, and you can use that money you're making from free sales and you can use it to invest in paid traffic to scale up and make a lot more money on Clickbank, guys. So if you're watching the channel, you're going to discover I'm making sales every week consistently. So I'm making at least $1,000 every week consistently on Clickbank, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch the video step by step, take action on the method, guys. What I want to do is that I'm making most of these sales from paid traffic, and I'm also getting some sales from free traffic as well. So if you want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make sales every day fast on Clickbank using paid traffic, be sure to click the first link in the description and again my step-by-step training method I'm using to make sales very fast on Clickbank using paid traffic, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online, guys. So that's it, guys. So watch the video step by step till the end of this video. If you take action on this method I'm going to be showing you guys today, you can start getting some free traffic, make some sales, then you can use that money from free traffic, then you can invest it in paid traffic, and you can make a lot more sales using paid traffic, guys. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how you can go and use this exact method and start making some sales very fast. Okay, guys, so the first step, as always, you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. I'm going to show you guys some particular products and go and use and start promoting with this exact method I'm going to be showing guys. So go to the affiliate marketplace and we're going to choose a product we're going to be promoting using this exact method, guys. So we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. So we're going to click on search, and you're going to see the top products on Clickban that are converting very well. So you can go and promote different affiliate products using this exact method I'm going to be showing guys. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one particular product and I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can go and promote using this free traffic source, and you can start making some sales very fast. So what I'm going to do is you're going to go to Clickban, you're going to search, for example, photography. So you're going to type, for example, photo jobs. You type photo jobs on Clickbank, you're going to find this particular product. So this is what you're going to type. You're going to type photo jobs. So this is what you're going to type. If you type photo jobs on Clickbank and click on search, you're going to find this particular product. So you can see this product has a high gravity of 18, and a product that has a gravity of 18 and above is a product that other affiliates are already making sales promoting that product. So you can go and promote that particular product and you can make a lot of sales promoting that particular product, guys. So if you go to the sales page of the product, it's a product that's going to make people that are already taking pictures make money from those people, make money from those pictures that they are taking. So this is a sales page of the product. You can see get paid to take your photos, and this is a legit product, guys. So this is a legit product. So if you are promoting this product and you make money from this, you are going to get very low refunds promoting this particular product. What you can see, guys, that there's also a rebate, which means that you're going to be making recurring revenue. So that's the advantage of this particular product. So if somebody sign up for this particular product, they are going to be paying monthly, and as they're paying monthly, you are going to be making sales every month from that one customer, guys. You're going to see commissions are recurring from a $27 monthly subscription. So you're going to be making recurring revenue from this product. So if you sell to a customer one time and the person keep paying monthly, you're also going to be getting a commission every time that the person pays every month. So you can make a lot of money promoting this particular product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can go and promote this particular product very easily and start making some sales very fast, guys. So you go to the affiliate tools resources area, you're going to see you can earn up to $250 per sale and lifetime recurring revenue from this particular product, guys. So you can see the product is converting very well. So you can see it's converting on cold traffic, guys. So you can see these are some other tools that if you are going to promoting this on Instagram, you can go and use. These are some tools that you can use on Facebook, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how you can go and promote this particular product using 8 different methods and using completely free traffic. So be sure to watch this video step by step and take action on the method I'm going to be showing, guys, and can start getting some free traffic and start making some sales. So what I'm going to do is that once you have found a product you're going to promoting, so you can promote any other photography type of products and many different type of products using this exact method. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go to this website. Let me show you guys the free traffic source, guys. So we're going to go to this website. The website is called deviantart.com. So let me go to the website. It's DeviantArt. So if you go to Google and type DeviantArt, you are going to find this particular website, guys. So this is a website that people go on share different pictures online. I'm going to show you guys step by step how you can go on promote this particular product on this website and you can make a lot of money, guys. So we go to the website. So let's go to the website. So let me show you guys how much traffic this particular website is getting. So let me go to similarweb.com and we're going to copy the URL of this website and let me show you guys how much traffic this website is getting and you can go on and get this traffic for completely free, guys. So go to SimilarWeb. We're going to input the URL of our website and we're going to see how much traffic this website is getting every month, guys. So go to SimilarWeb. So what you're going to discover, guys, you're going to discover this website is getting up to 100 million visitors every month, guys, and sometimes you can see it's going to up to 123 million visitors every month. So this is a huge traffic source that many people are not using. I can go and use this exact website with this particular method I'm going to be showing you guys. I can make a lot of money from completely free traffic, guys. What you're going to discover, guys, you're going to discover that up to 40%, almost 50% of all the traffic on this website is coming from the United States. The next one is from Canada and United Kingdom, guys. And these are countries that many people used to buy from this country. So if you are promoting your product on this particular website using this method I'm going to be showing you guys, you can make a lot of sales, guys, because most of these are from the United States, which means that this is buyer traffic and you can tap into this free traffic source and start making a lot of money using this free traffic method I'm going to be showing you guys. So what you're going to do is that once you go to this website, all you're going to do is that you're going to sign up for a free account. And I'm going to show you guys how to use this step by step. So you're going to do is click on join. You're going to sign up for a free account on this website, guys. So once you sign up with a free account, all you can do is that you can just choose from here. So you're just going to choose, for example, improve my skills. Just click on continue. And it's completely free, guys. So from here, guys, what you can do is that you can go and upload images on this website and can be promoting your affiliate product. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on submit and you're going to type, for example, click on deviation and you're going to be able to submit different images on this website, guys. So what you can do is that you can click on choose file and you can upload your images on this website. So what you want to do is that you want to go and upload different art images and you're going to be promoting your own product as well. So what you can do is that you can go to this website pixabay.com. So you go to pixabay.com. You can find a lot of different images that you can go on upload on this website, guys. So you can just download some of these images. So you can type, for example, art. You can find a lot of different images that you can go on upload on this website, guys. You can upload this. It's completely free, so you're not going to have any problem or any copyright uploading different images from this website. So what you do is that you can download some of these images and you can upload it on your account, and you're also going to be promoting your affiliate offer as well. So let's click on this one, for example, and let's click on download. And it's going to be downloaded and you can go and upload it on that website, guys. So once you save the image, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to download multiple images. You're going to go and put on this particular website. So you're going to go back to DeviantArt. You're going to choose on upload. You're going to upload the images that we downloaded from Pixabay. So you're going to download many pictures and you're going to upload it on this website, guys. So what you're going to do is that it's going to attract many people to come to your post on this website, guys. So let's click on file upload. So let's click on upload and it's going to be uploaded on this website, guys. So click on agree. And that's all, guys. So that's it. You can give it a title and you can give it a simple description. What you're going to do is you're going to be leaving a link back to your affiliate offer in the description, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to give a title, for example. So you can go back to this website. You can just copy, for example, you can copy the title. So you can just copy, for example, mosaic fish. So that's it, guys. So you can just write the title, for example. So you can just write I can write a simple description about this particular product, guys. But what I'm going to do is that on the description, we are going to be promoting our products. So you can write, for example, learn how to make up to $1,000 per month. So what I'm going to do, guys, you're going to write a simple description and you're going to give a call to action like this, and you're going to be promoting your affiliate products, guys. So what I'm going to do from here is that you're going to go and get your affiliate link. So we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace. I'm going to click on promote. We're going to get our affiliate link. I'm going to promote on this particular website. So I'm just type for this one. I'm just going to type Devian. And just I'm going to get generate hub links. I'm going to get my affiliate link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and shorten this link. So I'm just going to shorten this link on Bitly. I'm going to go to bitly.com and I'm going to shorten this link, guys. So when you shorten the link, what I'm going to do is I'm going to input a link right here. And we're going to be promoting our affiliate offer. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and do this very easily, guys. So let's get our affiliate link. Let's click on create. And that's it, guys. We're going to click on create. Once you get our affiliate link, we are going to go and paste our affiliate link right here, guys. So you can paste our affiliate link right here. And we're going to click on submit. And it's going to be submitted on this website. So let's click on submit now. and that guys has been successfully submitted on this particular website. So people can go and watch this simple ad on this website, and if they look at the description, they're going to see this link. So you can see this is my link to my affiliate offer. If they click on this link, they're going to be going back to the products on Clickbank, and if they buy this product, I'm going to be making a commission, guys. So you can see. So what I'm going to do is that to go and make a lot more money from this website is that you're not going to be only promoting your affiliate product. What you're going to do is you're going to be promoting your affiliate product, and you're going to upload all these ad images on this website. So you can see these are different ads. If I come back here, you're going to find that there are a lot of these different ad images on this website. You can go and download. So it's a very beautiful images. So what you're going to do is that the strategy you're going to use is that you're going to go and upload most of these images, because for example, you can see this one, you want to have up to 1,000 likes, which means that it's going to get a lot of traffic on this particular website. So you're going to upload that particular image as well on this particular website. And what you can do next is that once you have submitted different pictures on this website, what you can do is that you can go and promote your affiliate offer. So the next step you're going to do is that you're going to go to the affiliate tools resources of this particular product. So this is affiliate tools resources, and you can download some of these images, and you can go and put it on Deviant ad promoting your affiliate product, guys. So you can do is that you can just go on now, save this image, for example. So for example, let's save this image. We're going to go on put it on Deviant ad, guys. So you can do is that you can go on, just go to deviantad.com. We're going to go and submit this particular image. So we're going to go and click on submit. So we're going to submit an image. We're going to choose an image, guys. So you click on submit. What we're going to do is we're going to submit our image that we just downloaded, and that is, guys, is going to upload on this website. All you can do is that you can go and edit this particular image. I'm going to write, for example, click the link in the description to learn how to sell your photos online, guys. So you can see, for example, so let's write, for example, learn step by step how to sell your photos online. And as you guys, you're going to write simple text like this. You're going to get the affiliate link once more. We're going to submit it on this website. And that's it, guys. So you're going to write, for example, make money sharing photos. So that's it, guys. All you're going to do from here is you're going to click on submit, and it's going to be submitted on this particular website, guys. So what you're going to do from here is click on submit, and it's going to submit it on this website, and you can start getting some free traffic very fast, guys. All you can do, guys, you can also go on, you can go on comment on different people's posts, and you can also send a lot of traffic back to your affiliate offer, guys. So you can see this our link. So you can do is that you can go on, just copy. So for example, I'm just going to copy this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the home page of this website. I want to go and comment on popular images, guys. So let's go to this one, for example, and I see this particular image has up to 3,000 stars on this particular one. It's getting a lot of traffic, guys. You can see it has up to 13,000 views on this particular post. So what I can do is that you can see it has been published only on February 4th. So this has been published today, guys. So this has been published today, and it has up to 13,000 views on this particular one, guys. So what I can do is that I can go and comment on this, and you can go and leave a link back to your affiliate offer as well. So you can see these are different comments. You can write a simple comment right here. So if you click on this comment, you can paste right here and click on comment. It's going to be commented on this website, guys. You can see your comment has been submitted on this website, and anyone that click on this link is going to go back to your affiliate offer, guys. So you can just go and comment on some of the top images that are getting the highest amount of views, and you're going to get a lot of free traffic back to your affiliate offer, guys. So let's click on this one, for example, and let's click on comments. You can see it has 1,000 views and submitted today, guys. So these are images that are submitted today, and they're getting a lot of traffic, and you can get a lot of traffic as well. So I'm going to go down to the comments. I'm going to click on this comments. I can promote different affiliate products on this particular website, guys. So that's a simple method I'll show you guys that you can go and use and start making some sales very fast from completely free traffic. As I show you guys, this website is getting up to 100 million plus visitors every month, and you can go and leverage this website for completely free and start making some sales on Clickban, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickban earning methods, guys. So that's it, guys. If you want to get my step-by-step method I'm using to make up to $1,000 plus every week, be sure to click the first link in the description. I can get my step-by-step training. So that's it, guys. So go and take action on this method, and I'll see you guys in the next video.